Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, it's Friday again. Like yesterday was Monday, now it's Friday. Well, it is what it is. I'm getting older and older. Seems like if I'm saying Monday and Friday every time, that means I'm getting older or the time is passing faster. I don't know. Anyway, nice time to be alive in crypto. Like I said, you saw what happened last night. We are discussing in the chat, and you saw what happened. Yeah, we are playing around with the Bitcoin and the breakout level. I said, well, I need the Bitcoin to accept back above that white line, and didn't took long, and we dropped. But nothing bad about that drop. Let's go on the charts. Morning Stefan, morning Abdullah, morning Shogun, morning Catalin, Bucur, Andrei, and Sebastian. Well, people, you can see the candle now. Dark Maul candle, up and down, yeah? Cleaning up the moon boys, cleaning up the people who think that, well, it's a bull market and it's easy to make money. Well, okay. Look at that candle. Could get worse than that, yeah. And will probably get worse, but not now. If we push higher, you'll see even bigger volatility. 13%, it's just a small bump. If you look back and you see what Bitcoin can do, yeah, we have to think in percentage wise. We cannot think in well, it's a 15k movement. Yeah, what's the percentage from the entire price? And if you look back and please compare it with 2017 cycle, looks similar. Just go back there and see what volatility we had close to the top. Now, that's 100k. We are back below. We are consolidating the same level. We cleaned up 104 kind of liquidity. Down, we took this liquidity at 90. Really nice. I enjoyed that. Seeing that was really nice. Too bad that I didn't had the I wasn't fast enough to hit that level. I didn't have a limit order, so the market was too high until I managed to get in a Binance account. I made some money on the downside, not too much, but well, enough to make my week. Okay, let's see indicators. We have bearish divergence here, and you can see what I see here on the chart. It's back in the normal area on RSI. Look at OBV here. We have a bearish divergence now on daily. You can see it. That's not the best sign for Bitcoin. Not necessarily really bearish for the moment, but a confirmed bearish divergence on daily is not usually a good sign. Now, let's just see it here. Yeah. High and higher high on the price, high and lower high on the OBV, and we confirmed the M. We closed below. So call it whatever you want. We have a bearish divergence on daily. We have a bearish divergence on OBV now, on RSI, and now on OBV. We have a dark Maul. Will be enough, and we can go sideways and then push higher. Yeah, we can, but the divergence are telling us to stay the fuck out. Don't leverage long on higher time frame. Don't I don't know, think that will go straight to 150 from here. Things like that. We can consolidate 100k for a long period of time. Now, if you look at 2017, I saw Donald posting. I didn't check for myself to see, but Donald was posting that in 2016, 2017, when we broke 10k, we did the similar price action movement. Yeah, clean up, then another candle, and then we slowly push higher. Well, I'll tell you what, we have a range here. This candle, it's actually a range. Now, take the high and we'll push higher. Take the low and we'll push lower to this area. Let's see where and what direction we'll go. Staying here, we can play the range game. It's that simple. Testing the week low, I'll be tempted to hunt a long. Testing the week highs, I'll be tempted to hunt a short. Playing the range game. You know from the bear market how we play the range game. And in meantime, staying in this range will give altcoins a nice window of opportunity to run higher. The strong ones, not everything. Yeah? But overall, look back, people. We are in 2024 still, and we are fighting 100K on Bitcoin. And altcoins are still, if you look at weekly charts, they are still at the bottom. Like I said, nice time to be alive. Don't focus on 5-minute chart. Don't focus on 1 hour chart. Focus on higher time frame. Altcoins, strong altcoins, your favorite altcoin. Make an investment plan and start buying some altcoins. The opportunity is there for the moment. If you have all the investments set in place and nothing to do, just scratch your head or stay out, then okay, well, let's focus on a lower time frame. Maybe we can make some money. But you should have the investment all set up. Just my 2 cents. Because you'll never beat buying a altcoin at the bottom, which in a couple of months will do 10x, 20x. You cannot beat that with trading. Overall, if in the bear market, okay, yeah, could be more profitable, but it's just buy and hold. It's that simple. Okay, that's Bitcoin. I think range here. Warning signs, we have some of them. Let's put this big one here also. We have a small one, but that's too small. Let's just put this one here. So we have warning signs. Now, that's Bitcoin. Let's see Ethereum on daily. Well, Ethereum doesn't care. What drop? What? Doesn't care. It's pushing higher. Has a target. It has to take 4,100. Someone said that we should take 4,100. You can see AB equals CD is telling me that. That's the target for the moment. Ethereum doesn't care about what Bitcoin is doing. And we are long on Ethereum. So, remember 1 month ago, or a couple of weeks ago, I don't know exactly when, everyone was bearish and said, well, Ethereum, it's a dead coin, it'll never recover, and look at it now. And here on Crypto Traders Arena, we said, well, let's not be too bearish at the bottom. Let's try to be professional. And we bought some Ethereum. We even managed to get a leverage position. Look at it. It's mooning. Well, after all hit AB equals CD, we have another target. Yeah, all-time high. And I think we'll see that 4,800 sooner than we think. Just my 2 cents. Okay? Now, chasing here, no. If you have a holy grail on 50-minute chart and you can take an entry, that's a different thing. But chasing Ethereum here at 4,000, almost $4,000, I don't think it's wise. If you didn't like it at 2,800, at 2,400, 2,200, you like it now, double the price almost. Well, it's up to you, but for me, no. It's not investable, not buyable on spot, for example. Leverage trading? Yeah, why not? Well, that's Ethereum. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Yeah, zooming out a little bit. Well, it's not perfect. It's not my squiggly lines here, but you can see the market. It's telling us, well, I'm not so weak. It's pushing higher. Could be kind of a V bottom here, possible. I'm still waiting for a retracement here at some point in time. and I'll drag my reload zone higher until we'll have a local top. When that will happen, I don't know. So overall, it's still valid. Don't be bearish here on Ethereum. Luckily, we managed to avoid shorting or thinking bearish here in this area on Ethereum. We even bought some. Now, Bitcoin dominance, and I'll say something, and I'll say it for everyone, because premium people and all the people on Crypto Traders Arena already know that. I don't like to use USDT dominance just because they are printing. They are printing USDT. It's not a valid way for me to see the market and get an edge. Yeah. If you compare something with something else, that something else is growing, I don't think we have an advantage looking at that chart. If you want to use it, but please don't ask me to use it again. Yeah? I told you, but I want to say it public for everyone. Why I'm not using it and why I prefer Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, it's tried to bounce yesterday, that no strength here for the moment. We'll form a W, we'll push higher, we'll have to wait and see. For the moment, in my view, this price action, it's weak and we can push lower. If we'll make a W, okay, I could think back in the short reload zone. But we didn't manage even to push to 38.2 per stop. So I consider this one weak. Let's focus on altcoins. If you are a trader already, focus on altcoins on 50-minute chart with Holy Grail. Let's make some money. Last night after the drop, I said people don't FOMO in, don't get in a panic mode. Just wait for Holy Grail to give you a signal of 50-minute chart. It's that simple. We'll take some time. Initially, we'll do a Dalai Lama kind of pattern. When you see an entry with Holy Grail, take it. Could be a good one. For me, this one is weak. I'm still expecting some kind of bounce. We'll be here in short reload zone. We'll be here at 38.2. I don't know. But I love to see this price action. That means some of our altcoins will push higher. We can, if we are in an investment plan, we can short. I noticed some people said, well, I'm not shorting anymore. It's your decision. I'm not saying it's good or bad. I don't remove my orders. If I put a short in the market on an investment, I don't remove my order. For me, that means I don't respect my plan. If the market will push higher, I don't mind. But my plan says to take the first shot. I'll take and I'll get free money. I don't know what will happen in this market. We can get a 30% dip on Bitcoin and some nice levels on altcoins, and I could reload. I'm not telling the market what to do. My advantage is respecting my plan. Simple as that. That's Bitcoin dominance. Now, total market, you can see everything is green for today. Total market cap, well, was just cleaning up a little bit. Total 2, well, not even that. Total 3 doesn't care too much. It's trying to push the all-time high here. It's trying. We need a daily candle close above this level. Okay. And at the end with ES, we had a red day yesterday, but overall look at the market. Yeah, we discussed that multiple times. I said, well, we are in an uptrend. Let's respect that. Let's respect the strength in the market. Don't be bearish. Yeah. When we'll see yams and when we'll see clear signs, we can think about something. For the moment, just look at it. This is an AB equals CD. Pretty simple. AB, CD. Now we can consolidate for some time. Yeah. Keep in mind, it's December. Yeah, people will all book some profit. Fund manager will take some profit off to be able to brag for the next year, to attract more clients for their fund and so on. Okay, that's the overview. We can look at altcoins on weekly, and I'll take the weakest one first. 5 weakest altcoins on weekly, and then we'll go on day trading. So let's do that. Mavia, okay, look at Mavia. We have a nice retracement. Even here at 1.9 is not bad. Just look at this level. It's still a Wyckoff check. We are waiting for this one, but if you are, look at that. Not a bad level. If you are investing, you can start dollar cost average. You can start thinking. If you don't have any, not a bad level. We are waiting for this one to be retested. We are waiting maybe a bit lower at 1.5 if we are lucky. But seeing the market like this, you don't have any excuses telling me I don't have any Mavia. Well, it's kind of retesting now. RSR. Well, I said yesterday, don't chase. This was a pump because of a news, and we should retrace back. Well, where? I don't know. Let's see. Maybe you can find some confluence. I think in this area at 1 cent. You think it's possible for us to go back down here, make a double and push higher again? I think so. So it's 1.7. I think if nothing else will happen, I think we can touch 1 cent, maybe 1.2 here in this area. Don't chase it here, people. Gala. We are in a short reload zone. Don't chase here. We want lower. We want this level. You can draw a long reload zone from the top to the bottom. See where you have confluence in long reload zone, but probably it's the same level here. Waves, the same. Yeah, don't chase here, but people, set limit orders. I know it's boring. Hear me every day. Well, set limit orders are the W breakout, but that's my honest opinion. We should do that. If you still have money and you want to buy, don't market buy, don't panic sell, put some limit orders at the weekly breakout. We are in that kind of environment. Yeah, OMG similar. Nice W. You can see on weekly basis we don't have a retest. Look at the last weekly W. We had a kind of a retest. Not exactly on the dot, but we had a retest. But you think people bought here or panic sell? The beginners. I'll sell everything. And last one is Zilliqa. Similar. You can see W, breakout, pushing higher. Well, it's strong. Don't chase it. Wait for a retracement. Put some limit orders. Look at the W here. W, breakout, retest. We can look again here. Yeah, this was ugly price action here. You have to be really strong to hold this in that environment. Anyway, you get the idea. You can draw. How you bet? You bet that this one wasn't a Wyckoff check of the W, but you bet we touched 61.8. Let's see. I'm curious. There you go. That gives you an idea what you should do this time? I guess so. You think? Look at here. We touched. We get in the long reload zone. That's a green light for us to buy. You think we can do something similar again? Let's see. Well, there you go. If we'll reach 2 cents, 2.1, green light to buy. If we'll do a Wyckoff check, a proper one, well, that means to buy a bit more. Yeah, I know impossible in crypto is not a word you want to use, Stefan. Now, let's see what we have on the chat. If we'll flip 98,500, well, we have the range. If we'll take the high again, we'll push higher. If we'll take the low, we can push lower. Overall, we are still bullish, Alpet. Let's see, Sebastian. Yeah. Impossible in crypto is not a word we want to use, Stefan. That's for sure. Now, let's go on lower time frame. Now, let's see Bitcoin on 1 hour chart. Well, that's the chart we had last night. That's the chart we are framing yesterday in the New York session. And I said, I want a shark. I was here. Now, high, low, and I said, I don't want to play mountain man, I'll play the shark. I was too confident. Looking back, I admit that. I was too confident, too full of myself. Why the fuck I didn't play my setup? I have combo mountain man and shark. Why I didn't play classically as I should? That was a mistake from my side. But I saw that mistake and I even said it at the end of the live stream. I did a mistake. I'm stupid. I have to do something. Look at this 1 hour EM. And we close the live stream here. Well, market bounced to the candle body. Let me zoom in. To the candle body lows here. And I said, well, fuck it, I need a position. I need to hedge at least. I need a short position here. And I took calculated and I put a hedge here. After that, we pushed lower and lower and lower. Well, okay, maybe I'll book a 2 to 1. And then I saw the market accepting above this white line. Why is important? Well, that was the all-time high, the level we rejected violently last time. Well, when we said we don't want 100K for the moment. And we are discussing in the premium chat and I said, I want this price action. I want the price above the white line ASAP. Well, ASAP, we didn't take long and we did a really nice dump. And look where we dumped. Yeah? We took all the liquidity here. Everything was cleaned up, nice and clean. And the same fucking candle back in the middle, like nothing happened. That's cleaning up. Cleaning up the books. And we are back exactly where we started before this pump to 104. Look at it. 98. At the same fucking level. Like nothing happened. I could see here on 1 hour a Dalai Lama. I think so. But Dalai Lama means that I need some W's here. I could see that Dalai Lama pushing higher here in this area, 102, 104. Give me my target. Okay. But now, for me to think higher than this high, at least on 1 hour time frame. We are on 1 hour, we are discussing 1 hour. I need the market to close 1 hour chart, 1 hour candle above the week high. So I need a close above this level. That will convince me that market wants higher. Similar with the lows. If the market will close 1 hour chart below this level, that will convince me that we can push lower. Until then, let's play the range game. Stefan, that's a game you know to play, no? You said that, well, it's kind of hard for me in this bullish environment. I don't know how to play in an exponential move. Well, now you have a range. So let's play the range game. I could see the Dalai Lama. We had the dark Maul. Now we are making a Dalai Lama. If you don't know what a dark Maul is, if you don't know what Dalai Lama is, well, search or ask and we'll explain you. Dalai Lama assumes that in this area, I'm not saying 98. We can drop a little bit, 96, 94, I don't know. In this area, we'll make a W, and that will be a nice way to enter. In the same time, that EM top did 2 things for us. Made us a really nice way to see the market. You can see a nice trend line here. W the other side of the trend line, and we are good for a long setup. In the same time, that EM on 1 hour chart did another thing, a way to put the house levels. You think that's important? Well, there you go. That's the EM, that's the first stop. You can see we fight it back and we dropped 4669. Pushed back up and we are back at 268. We are staying, we are fighting that level. Is the TA complicated? No. Trend line, house levels, range, accept above white line, I could think attacking the highs, stay below this level, I could think retesting of the week low or a Dalai Lama trade. So a lot of opportunities here. We just need to be patient and wait for a setup. Okay? Morning, Alexandra. You can even draw fib levels here. You can draw from the high to the low. And you can play a shark setup here if you want. I know Abdullah is a fan of a shark. I think shark is in this area. Retesting of DCM. Let's just test that. So let's do a shark. Short. There you go. That's the shark exactly at the EM breakdown. So if you want to, don't complicate yourself. I'll put the shark here. Entry here, stop loss at the highs. 2 to 1, 3 to 1, up to you. You can do the same on the long side. Okay. So there are a lot of things you can do. This is the high, this is the low. Okay. Swing high, swing low. Well, let's find where we should think long with classic fib thinking. There you go. 50 to 70% of this week. Normal to expect a retest of that week. Okay? So it's up to you and your plan. We'll try to find some setups in the VIP and premium. I don't think I'll post 1 hour chart and lower on general chat. But for premium and VIP, I'll definitely post my setups. Now, that's my thinking on Bitcoin. Let's see what we have on Ethereum. We need to do something on Ethereum? No. Why? Well, we are already long. And close to the target. A 9 to 1 R, that's not a bad thing. Look at the dump. Recovered really nicely, close to the highs. We'll probably take the highs. I'm patiently waiting. Here, if you think the dump here, you are in a short reload zone on 1 hour, 50-minute chart. You want to hunt long ideas here? Classically, no. If you want to put a holy grail and you have a 50-minute holy grail, okay. Yeah. But overall, we are a really nice position on Ethereum. Solana, let's take an example. What we have on Solana. We have a new W here. I could think this one being a big AB. I could. Let's try to think like that. AB equals CD completed. So let's think this one is an AB. And we'll do a CD. Keep in mind the bullishness in the market. Okay? We can do something. Let's clone that one. Put it here. Where is the target? Well, $320. Not bad. Look where we stopped. We had accumulation here. We popped. We retested 2 times. We took the liquidity here and now we have W's. This is a W on 4-hour chart. You can take that entry at 240 and stop loss at 250 or 210. I think it's not the worst scenario. I think it's a good way to think if you are targeting this one, AB equals CD, the big one. Or you can go on lower time frame again. Holy grail. Just my 2 cents, people. A lot of altcoins you can see here, they are looking okay-ish. 5%, 6% recovering. Well, let's take a look at in a different way. Let's use, for example, this one. I have the template here. I have the time frame. Let's set it up on a 50-minute chart. Okay. Now let's take a look at altcoins. That if my indicator will load. I don't know why it's low. Look at this one. You think you can get an entry with Holy Grail on Saga? I think you can. You think you can start thinking this one doesn't respect well a 50-minute chart. So I think you want 1 hour. You can see 1 hour is better respected. So if you see is not respecting on that time frame, change the time frame. You want the ATR from the stop loss, the blue tick line in this case, well respected. It's a must for Holy Grail. Osmo, similar. You should go on 1 hour. You can see 1 hour is better respected. Or avoid totally Osmo. I don't like it how it's behaving with Holy Grail. This one is still in a range here. The volatility from last night broke the Holy Grail. I think we can wait a little bit. On alt, well, you can see it's respecting 50-minute, 1 hour chart. It's pushing higher, it's strong. We can get an entry? Of course we can. Remember this one when we spoke about this trade. Either you got stopped out here, either you did, well, I'll leave with the results. And now you should have a 5R profit if you did that. If not, you took a 2R. I don't think it's bad. But you made some money. And remember, we post this one. TIA. Well respected uptrend. We don't have an uptrend yet. If we'll take the high, that will form an uptrend. Yeah? If I'll activate the short side, you'll see why I'm saying that. So, waiting for a breakout, then a retest, that will give you a nice entry. So that's why I'm saying, people, hunt the strong ones and see where you can find some entry with Holy Grail. This one is in a range here. Just leave it alone. Look at Tao. Doesn't like a 15-minute chart. Let's think 1 hour. Still not the best one. If you want to play Tao because it's too volatile, I expect you to go here on Holy Grail and change the inputs here. From 7 go to 9, please. I'll do it now just for tests. And you'll see something, okay? You'll see that it's putting the stop loss a bit lower, a bit farther away from the price action, because this one is too volatile. Just kind of zoom out with Holy Grail. And if you'll get an entry, put your stop loss here and enjoy. This one could stop to 1,000, could stop to 2,000. We don't know. Let's put the Holy Grail back on 7, 6, 7, 9, 7. Okay. That's the way you fuck around with Holy Grail. Manta, similar. Huh? So you got the idea. I don't have to go on the entire list. You got the idea how you should do it. Okay? Look at Phantom. Some of us are still long. Look at the Holy Grail. People, there are a lot of opportunities in this market. This market is easy mode. Everyone makes money. It's that kind of environment. Not really everyone, but a lot of people are making money. That's why a lot of people will quit their job, because they all think they are traders. They all think they are good traders. They don't acknowledge that it's easy mode. If you are not making money in this market, something is definitely wrong in your thinking, in your plan, in your overall investing or trading approach. So go back on learning. If you are not making money in this environment, I don't know what to say. If you are in Crypto Traders Arena and you are not making money, definitely hit me out to the DM. Something you should change. Everyone should make money in this environment. Just don't short, long. Buy the dip. You'll hear me months from now on. Buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. People, it's a different perspective from an investor. Yeah, an investor on weekly chart will tell you don't invest in Bitcoin at 100K. And he's right. Invest. We are trading on 1 hour, 50-minute chart. We are buying the dips on altcoins that are forming weekly W. That's the way we should do it. So if a guy will tell you don't buy Bitcoin at 100K, he's right, but that doesn't mean you should close everything and go home. You should focus on the right things. I don't know. I know I'm blabbing away here, and ranting, but it's something you'll hear me saying over and over again. Until you'll start hear me saying, don't fucking buy, don't fucking long, short any bounce you see. But there's still time until there. Because that time will come sooner than you expect, probably. And you'll see me shifting, changing this holy grail on only red. Yeah, I'll go here and you'll see me changing the inputs. Okay, you'll hear me doing something like this. Start hunting only short ideas. Why I'm not doing that now? Because we are in an uptrend, but that will change. You want to see something nice? Well, look at it. What's the nice one? What do you think? You want me to go on, I don't know, 2022? It's Phantom, nothing special. It's just Phantom. Let's see. Let's go on 2022 after the exponential move. Come on. April 2022. You get the idea? Now we are in a bullish environment, but look what happened here. And if you are bearish and using Holy Grail on 1 hour, you can make a lot of fucking money. Every bounce is a shorting opportunity. Now we are in a bullish environment. Any drop, it's a buying opportunity. But we'll shift that soon enough. Sooner than you want. Sooner than you expect. Trust me. For the moment, let's enjoy and let's make some money. Pay attention even if you are a free member. Pay attention what we post. Tuesday, we have live streams for everyone. Stefan is giving you investments idea. We are opening from time to time the Hand of Midas for the all Discord members. We had last night Bochan telling us that no investment from his plan, it's below entry. And some of them made 5x, 10x, maybe even more. And I think we give access to the public a couple of times. Road to financial freedom, where it's starting to get shots. The plan is there, it's free. Plus chance challenges for premium and VIP. They should enjoy that. If you don't have it, go and study it. People, it's 10 and 10 in my area. I blabbed away for 40 minutes. That's my approach, like I said last night. Hunt long ideas with Holy Grail on altcoins. Think range on Bitcoin. Yeah, it's that simple, in my perspective. Let me change back because I'm seeing bearish and I don't want to see bearish. I'm bullish. Okay. That being said, let's call it a live stream. It's Friday. Yeah, let's enjoy. Think end of the day, because it's Friday, we can have another small correction. Let's hope it's small. That will be another buying opportunity for the weekend. We'll see. We'll be here. We'll post in the New York session. The registration for VIP is done. Next time we'll open its beginning of February, for February. So for the moment it's closed. We don't accept more people in VIP. We still have some places for premium. Yeah, because I don't set a clear limit there. Some places for Capua 1. If you want Capua 1 or you know a friend that wants to learn, I think that's the best offer possible. 1 year premium membership, the program itself, Holy Grail for life. You cannot get better than that. Only the access makes more, will make you more money than you pay. Anyway, that's your problem. That being said, people, I don't see requests, and I don't think it's the case to do requests. It's the case to just hunt with Holy Grail and play the range game on Bitcoin. It's pretty simple now. So, See you guys in New York session, if not Sunday in the weekly crypto review, or Monday morning with the same live stream. See you.